In this video, we are going to see about data flow modeling and RTL. RTL means register transfer level. So, this RTL, register transfer level. And this RTL is used to transfer the written code into its register level. So we can explain this RTL with behavioral modeling also, but here we are explaining this RTL with data flow modeling. And data flow modeling describe the system by how the data moves and is processed. And this RTL is combination of data flow and behavioral coding style. It converts the code into its register level. So RTL, the scope of this RTL is we can synthesize the written code because all codes keywords cannot be synthesized in next level. So RTL is convert that code into synthesizable code and generate the gate netlist. And this is this generation of the netlist is very important to find the number of that amount of gate to construct a system. So this is generated at this level. So this RTL, register transfer level, is used to generate the synthesizable code and also generate the gate netlist. So now we are going to explain the RTL with data flow modeling, and for data flow assign is the keyword. And now we going to write the code 2:1 marks with this assign keyword. I write the code for 2:1 marks. So marks 2 input marks. So marks to 2 out P0 P1 and select. And again we have to declare the input, and input is P0 P1 and also yes also input select line, and output is out. So now I use the keyword assign, and this assign the value to this output. So I use conditional statement here, that means out, when this out become P0, that is S is equal to 1, that means is check, S is equal to 1, we will get P1 as a output, else we will get P0 as a output. So now this S is equal to 1, we will get P1. When S is equal to 0, we will get P0. So this is the condition else. And this question mark checks this S is 1 or 0. Now this S is 1 means we will get output as P1. Otherwise we will get P0. So this is the conditional statement for 2:1 marks in data flow modeling. So now just end the end module. So end module. So this is the data flow modeling of 2:1 marks using this assign keyword. We can write another one example, that is magnitude comparator. Using assign statement. So first give module and module name, and we have to check two input, so A comma B, and also 3 output we need for equal, greater than and lesser than. So we take that as greater than, smaller than, equal to. So input A comma B, output GSE, and now we assign. So now assign the condition for G. This is greater. So G is equal to A greater than B. Next assign S. S is equal to A less than B. Next assign E, and this condition A equal to B. So these are the 3 conditions in comparator. So we check greater than, lesser than or equal to. So we just now going to end this module. So the next level, after completion of this code in data flow, we have to synthesize the written code. So the step here is logic synthesis. In this step we are using RTL. So this RTL description we synthesize using logic synthesis tool here. The design constraint and technology library for, and this is for technology, and here they are using technology 0.65 micron CMOS process, and this is called ABC 100 here, or provided to the logic synthesis tool, and this is the tool name they are using. The logic synthesis tool perform the necessary optimization and produce the gate level description optimized for this technology. So this is the step performed in this RTL level. So we will get the final gate level circuit for this magnitude comparator like this, and they are written it for 4-bit, but we written a code for 1 bit. So this is a 4-bit magnitude comparator. So at the RTL level we will get the final gate level netlist to estimate the amount of gate to construct a particular specific system. Also we can find the interconnection between each gates. So in RTL level we can generate the netlist that can provide the amount of gates and also the interconnection between them.